Globe. Can you identify this historical monument? Right. This is a model of Taj Mahal, which is one of the 7 wonders of the world situated in Agra. We use models to visualize the things so as to understand its basic structure and features, like a model of a car, aeroplane, train, ship, or our solar system, etc. Similarly, we need a model to study our planet Earth. Can you name the model of Earth? Globe is a true model of the Earth. Do you remember the shape of Earth? Yes, you can say it is round like a ball. Then why don't we take a ball as a model of the Earth? We can't take a ball as a model because our Earth is not perfectly round. It has a unique shape. It is slightly flat or depressed at the poles as it spins continuously on its own axis. That is why the poles get flat. Scientists named it the geoid shape. Therefore, globe is called a true model of the Earth which has the same shape. Now look at the Earth carefully. It is tilting towards the sun, and the same tilt can be observed in a globe. The globe is a 3-dimensional model and represents the whole Earth, that is oceans, continents, countries, etc., in their true shapes and sizes relative to each other. 2/3 part of our Earth is water, and rest 1/3 is land. The surface area of both water and land can be seen on a globe. Blue color on the globe shows the presence of water, and 7 large colored zones are land masses, which are called continents. Can you name the largest continent of the world? Yes, it is Asia, in which our country India lies. The horizontal line at the mid of the globe is called Equator, which divides our Earth, and we can say a globe, in 2 equal parts. You must have read about the directions in your previous classes, that is north, south, east and west. Thus, the area in north is called Northern Hemisphere and south is called Southern Hemisphere. A vertical line dividing the globe into Eastern and Western Hemisphere is called Prime Meridian. Now, can you find your country or state on the globe? It is really difficult to find a country or state on the globe unless you know its exact location. For that, a grid system has been designed in which parallels of latitudes and longitudes help a user to find a place easily. These horizontal lines on the surface of the globe are called latitudes, whereas the vertical lines are called longitudes. You will study about these in detail in your next chapter. Thus, we have seen that the globe is very useful to us, but there are some limitations to its use. Like, people find it very difficult to carry. This problem has been solved by using folding globes. These globes can be inflated or deflated as per requirement. But there are some other difficulties in the use of globes. One cannot see the entire surface of the Earth at a glance on the globe. Moreover, detailed information about landforms, roads, railways, towns and villages, etc. cannot be obtained on a globe. For such a detailed information, we depend upon maps.